So yes, I know what you're thinking. If you want a GoPro, you need to have a GoPro, but maybe no, APEMAN. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to my amazing channel where I review new, innovative, cool, and quirky technology pieces. This guy is a GoPro copycat or clone, and it's 4K 30 frames a second. It has a 2-inch LCD display, 20 megapixel photo, and it is waterproof. It also has the shoehorn clip that you can attach to any tripod, and let's see what else you get. External microphone, Wi-Fi control, timing, and time-lapse recording. And in terms of the specs here, anything different? Basically the same thing. So let's open it up and see how she be. Beautiful looking marketing. Well, hello there. Wow, that is a nice thick manual. Quick start guide. Accessories? Don't mind if I do. Whoa. Okay, all right. Be gentle. Don't open the box like a boy. Because you know how boys and boys eat like very messy, girls or girls handwriting, girls eating, like, you know what I mean? Like, boys need to slow down on that craziness. All right. Oh, they give you an external microphone. Quite nice. USB, micro USB. Why are we not getting C? Whoa. Battery. Remote control. Shoehorn. Like, look at how many accessories are in here. It's like a loot bag at a kid's party. Clippy. Strappy. Face shield. Protects you from COVID. Just kidding. Shoehorn. Mounties. Different type of shoehorn mountie. Shoehorn. Clippy. Strappy. Velcro strappy clippy. Soft cloth. And some kind of a wire. Pretty dangerous. So that's your accessories. It is almost worth picking up this camera just for these accessories. Now the best part of this camera is in Canada, it's $89.99. And right now, if you click the link in the description, I believe it's on sale for, there's a coupon for $20 off. Well, so 69 Canadian, that would equate to, let's say, 50 or 45 American for a 4K 30 frames a second, incredible waterproof GoPro clone. I am finally home and happy as can be. So you have these two ports here. I wonder if one of them is micro HDMI. I'm not sure. So you can, if you want, open it, but probably makes sense not to. You have your clippy things here. Open it up, and you can then do your mountain on your mountain because you'll be snowboarding this winter or whatever you want to film. Now, the cool thing about these action cameras is you don't have to use them for action. It also has time lapse, and you can film your kids. You can do whatever you want with these. They are geared to action, but they are also a great camera. So pretty good instructions here. Overall, nice look and feel. The accessories, I'm just blown away, but I can't believe you get all of this for, $50 American. So, feel free to click that link in the description if you want to get, a $60 camera to film in 4K, 30 frames a second, and you can upload to YouTube at, 4K, 30 frames a second, and actually videos rank higher that are in 4K compared to 1080p or 720p. So I hope you guys liked that quick look unboxing review. And this is a awesome, quick little 4K 30 frames a second GoPro clone that you can own at home. And I do condone. And hopefully you have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I'll see you next time.